Okay. So today what we'll do now, we'll solve the MCQs. Okay. So let me start. MCQ question set is provided to you. Yeah, it is there on the Google Classroom. Please go through it. This is the MCQ question set. Formation of differential equation. General solution involving n arbitrary constant will give rise to differential equation of nth order, free from the constants. If number of constants are 2, differentiate twice and remove the arbitrary constant, you will get a differential equation. Okay. Solution, first method is variable separable method. We know we have to separate the variables, integrate on both sides, add a constant, and you will get the required answer. Constant can be added conveniently. Okay. Then substitution method, if differential equation is in this form, dy by dx equal to f of ax plus by plus c, substitution is u equal to x plus by plus c. For the differential equation dy by dx equal to f of y by x, substitution is u equal to y by x. From there, differentiate with respect to x, substitute, and you will get a variable separable form. Okay. It is true for dx by dy equal to f of x by y, substitute u equal to x by y. Now differentiate with respect to y. Y in denominator of derivative, so differentiate with respect to y. Homogeneous differential equation is a differential equation where the degree of m and n is equal. Okay. And how to solve the homogeneous differential equation? We have to substitute u equal to y by x. Those who want to go through the non-homogeneous differential equation, they can go through this part. We are considering non-homogeneous differential equation of this form: dy by dx equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1, divided by a2x plus b2y plus c2. c1 and c2, they are constant. It is non-homogeneous due to c1, c2. Okay. Then exact differential equation, right? The condition of exactness is del m by del y equal to del n by del x. Then a differential equation is said to be exact if there exists a function u such that m dx plus n dy equal to derivative of u of xy. General solution of exact differential equation: integration of m dx considering y as a constant plus terms in n free from x dy equal to constant, or interchange m and xy. Differential equation reducible to exact form. A function k of xy is said to be integrating factor of a non-exact differential equation m dx plus n dy if it is possible to find a function u of xy such that k of xy into m dx plus n dy equal to d of u of xy. That is, k of xy convert the given non-exact differential equation into exact differential equation. Okay. Rules of finding integrating factor. If differential equation is homogeneous, 1 upon xn plus yn is the integrating factor. If differential equation is in this form, y function of xy dx plus x function of xy dy equal to 0, then integrating factor is 1 upon xn minus y. Okay, rule number 3 and 4, they are known to us. Del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n should be function of x. Then integrating factor is e raised to integration of f of x dx. Other way around, if it is del n by del x minus del n by del y divided by n should be function of y, and then integrating factor is e raised to integration of phi of y dy. Rule number 5 is known to us: x raised to a y raised to b into m y dx plus n x dy plus x raised to r y raised to s p y dx plus q x dy equal to 0. If differential equation is in this form, integrating factor is x raised to h y raised to k. Linear differential equation is one whose degree is at most 1. Okay. Here we consider degree of the dependent variable and differential coefficient only, derivative term only. Degree of the independent variable is considered as 0. Okay. Linear differential equation in y: dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are functions of x or constant. The integrating factor is e raised to integration of p dx, and general solution is y into integrating factor equal to, here integration is remaining, integration of integrating factor into q dx plus constant. Next we studied linear differential equation in x. It is of the form dx by dy plus px equal to q. P and q are functions of y are constant. Integrating factor is e raised to integration of p dy. General solution is x into integrating factor equal to, integration is again remaining here, integration of integrating factor into q dy plus constant. Okay, this part remaining, we'll study that in next few lectures. So MCQs on order, degree and formation of differential equation. This is the portion which we have left for the flipped classroom. After this lecture, we'll study this part. Around 45 examples are there. Next is variable separable form, substitution method and homogeneous differential equation. Around 25 examples are there. That is to be covered in next lecture. Let me start with the exact differential equation and reducible to exact differential equation. At least we will try to cover this part. Hope everyone is here now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Only 72 people. Only one division. What about the others? Not interested in mathematics. CR, Saras.
Yes, sir.
What about others?
I lost everyone to that.
नहीं वो पण ते काय देत नाही काय प्रॉब्लेम काय माहित नाही कसं माहित असते सगळं सब पता रहता है और एटलीस्ट सीआर शुड नो एवरीथिंग तेजस काय होते काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे
सर के करून देतो मी मेसेज पण जॉइन नाही करत ते
हो की पण काय प्रॉब्लेम काय असं काय आवडत नाही मॅथ्स जमत नाहीये गिव अप केलेला आहे want to leave the engineering or they are thinking that somehow will pass the first year काय आहे काय एक्झॅक्टली
माहित नाही सर मी केला मेसेज सर आता पण
नाही नुसते मेसेज करून काय उपयोग नाही म्हणजे तुझी काही चूक नाही यू आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट okay no problem at least those who are here let me continue for them so what I'll do now I'll solve the examples over here the examples will go through the PDF the examples which we can solve orally we'll solve them orally whenever required I'll use the board also screen also to solve the example slate also okay so let me start the necessary roll number division A roll number 1 A1 give attendance you have to give answer of the first question the necessary and sufficient condition that the differential equation m dx plus n dy is exact what is the condition of exactness del m by del y equal to first condition na? Del m by del y equal to del n by del x roll number 2 if homogeneous differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is not exact then what is the integrating factor first integrating factor differential equation is homogeneous then integrating factor is roll number 2 present or absent A2 roll number A2 absent A3 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 is also absent A4
Yes, sir.
sang its answer what is integrating factor of homogeneous differential equation
Sir, second or third?
second question we studied it yesterday
Sir, C.
1 upon xm plus yn correct okay roll number 4 division A roll number 4 are you there A4 A5
Sir, A4 is sang interesting.
A4 what is the answer of question number 3 differential equation is non-exact and it can be written as y function of xy dx plus x function of xy dy equal to 0 then what is the integrating factor fast
Sir, A.
roll number 4 what is the answer
Sir, A.
1 up no it's not A na if differential equation is homogeneous then integrating factor is 1 upon xm plus yn here it is xm minus yn B is the correct option okay Roll number 6.
Yes, sir.
If differential equation is non-exact and del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n equal to function of x, then what is the integrating factor?
Sir, C.
E raised to, how it is f of x? Array, you're not studying anything. E raised to integration d option na, e raised to integration of f of x dx.
Okay, sir.
काय अभ्यास करत नाही वाटतं. Roll number 7.
Yes, sir.
Now सांग.
Shubham.
Shubham, see, the m dx plus n dy is not exact, and del n by del x minus del m by del y divided by m equal to function of y. So what is the integrating factor?
E raised to integration of fy dy.
So A option, right? Now onward we want to find the total derivative. Total derivative, you remember na? How we obtain the total derivative? So in fact we want to obtain answer of this. So x dy plus y dx equal to d of u na. So our aim is to get the u such that derivative of u will be this whole differential equation. Okay. So write with me total derivative.
सर फ्लिप्ड क्लासरूम होणार आहे.
होणार की सब होगा. Hope you remember this. Suppose u is function of xy and xy are functions of t. We studied this in M1. Then derivative of u with respect to t, single variable, therefore ordinary derivative du by dt. Okay, now derivative of u with respect to x, two variable na, x and y, so partial derivative del u by del x into derivative of x with respect to t, single variable, ordinary derivative, plus derivative of u with respect to y, partial, derivative of y with respect to t. Okay, so cancel dt. What is remaining? Du equal to del u by del x dx plus del u by del y dy. Okay, what is name of this? Total derivative. Total derivative of u. Okay, so here what is given? Here m dx plus n dy is given. That is equal to d of u. Okay, aim, what is our aim? Aim to find d of u of xy, that is u of xy, so that, right, the whole differential equation equal to d of u. Hope you might have understood this. चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. Return the concept. We'll go through the example. Example number 6. Okay. Start writing with the dx. Y dx plus x dy. Write in this way. So whose derivative will be x? Also y dx plus x dy.
पेज चेंज केलं.
अच्छा नहीं चेंज. अच्छा. Hey, Azale visible? This is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll go to the screen. X dy plus y dx. Okay. Chalo. Our aim is to find the m. Yes. How we can find the m? Anyone? dx.
Y.
So whose derivative will be y dx plus x dy, that we want to find. Xy. See, derivative of xy equal to, right? So here u equal to xy, right now. And what is du? Del m by del x dx plus del m by dy dy, del y dy. Okay. So what is derivative of this with respect to x? Y. What is derivative with respect to y? X. Substitute it here. Del m by del x y dx plus x dy. Getting? So this is the answer. Understood? Yes, next example. So answer of the question number 6, C. Okay. Now question number 7. Try to solve the question number 7. 2 minutes to you. Solve question number 7.
dy by x. B.
B option, na? B for Bombay. Absolutely. Yes, absolutely correct. Let me change the page. Lectures. Okay. X, question number 7. X dy minus y dx. Integrating factor equal to 1 upon x square. So B option, चलो check करते हैं. D of y by x. Derivative using the division rule. X as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of the denominator. Right na? Divided by denominator square. X dy minus y dx divided by x square. Okay, but 1 upon x square is integrating factor. Okay, so we should have differential equation like this: x dy minus y dx. Yes. Question number 8. Understood?
सर बी ऑप्शन बरोबर है ना?
सर वो रिपीट करो ना.
See, this is trial and error method. Okay. What I have done now, I obtained derivative of y by x by our usual method. How we can obtain the derivative? X as it is, derivative of numerator, minus y as it is, derivative of denominator, divided by denominator square. Derivative of y is dy, derivative of x is dx. Okay, divided by x square. But 1 upon x square is integrating factor, so I have leave that. Now whatever is remaining should be the differential equation. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Differential equation is same. Therefore, it is correct. Okay. Next question number 8. 8 you want to solve? Chalo, solve for 8. Solve the question number 8. Start with the differential equation. See, x dy is there. So it may be xy, na? See, okay, just 1 minute. Possibility I am saying, it may or may not be the answer. So we can start like this. X dy. We have x dy. So if I integrate x dy, considering x as a constant, I have xy. So you can try with xy. Or you can try with whatever the options given in example. Yes, who is getting the answer? Again, integrating factor is there. So we should be able to remove this 1 upon xy. Yes.
Sir, B.
D option is correct. Huh? Since 1 upon xy we want, na? In denominator 1 upon xy is required. Na? Okay. Let me solve it. Let me solve it for B as well as D also, and we'll cross check which one is correct and how it is correct. Okay. So here this is given in example. Integrating factor is 1 upon xy. So let me start with the D option. Right. D of log of xy. Let me find the derivative. What is derivative of log 1 upon xy? But this is not sufficient. After that we have to differentiate xy again. Okay. So 1 upon xy, and now let me use the product rule. X as it is, derivative of y is dy. Y as it is, derivative of x is dx. Okay. So integrating factor is 1 upon xy. Here it is. And the differential equation is like this. Correct. Okay. Whereas if I take B option, see what will happen. D of, what is the B option? D of log of?
Y by
Log of what? Y by x, no?
Y by x.
Okay. Let me start with this. So derivative is 1 upon y by x. Right? Into D of y by x. Chalo, isse try karte hain. So it is x by y after simplification, and derivative of this is x as it is, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator, minus y derivative of denominator divided by denominator square, x square. So no doubt I am getting 1 upon xy, but I am getting x dy minus of y dx. I am getting negative sign. Getting the? So integrating factor is correct, but I am not getting the differential equation. Differential equation is x dy plus y dx. Right now? Getting everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Okay. 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 Example number 10. Solve example number 10.
ऑप्शन ए
चलो चेक करते हैं. Just 1 minute. So remember that we want 1 upon x square plus y square. So see what is to be done for that. Option A you are saying.
Option A.
Option A. Chalo, let me start with the option A. A option. What is A option? Tan inverse of y by x. Okay. D of tan inverse of y by x. Okay, chalo solve karte hain. What is derivative of tan inverse? 1 upon 1 plus y square divided by x square into d of y by x, isn't it? Understood? The usual derivative. So it is 1 upon, after simplification, x square divided by x square plus y square, isn't it? Into derivative x dy minus y dx divided by denominator square. Okay, this will cancel. So 1 upon x square plus y square and ax dy minus y dx. So we should have like this. This should be the integrating factor and this should be the differential equation. Check it. Integrating factor, yes. Is it the differential equation? Yes. Getting everyone? Okay. Hope you might have written this. If not, please write it. So a little bit prediction is required, huh? Before we proceed, na? Just you try whether we are getting the integrating factor in that form and differential equation with correct sign. Okay, I will go through few more examples. Say example number, acha, last example 11 will solve. Huh? Solve example number 11. Dx plus dy.
C option.
Okay. Very good. Chal, we'll check it. Who has given the answer? Who has given the answer? Answer kon dila? So that I will come to know your names also. Roll number and name. No? Absolutely. That's it. Try to solve it in this way. You have to solve examples in tutorial in this way also. By Monday you will get the tutorial. Okay. Chalo, next.
So you are having any trick for this
Any?
trick?
Trial and error method. There is no any trick. Few tricks are there, but many times they don't work. For few examples it works. Huh? So better just try it. And whatever examples are, they will be from these 5-10 examples. Probably no any other example will be asked. Okay.
Okay.
Question number 12. The differential equation x plus y minus 2 dx plus x minus is of the form. Yes. Is it exact? Check it. Write the example number 12. X plus y minus 2 dx. In fact, very simple example. Write m. Del m by del y. Del n by del x. So, exact. Question number 12, answer is exact differential equation. Okay. Can I go through the next example? Example number 13. Let me change the page. Page number 4 now of the MCQ. Example number 13. Find lambda. You might have got the answer. I know it's not difficult. You start solving. Those who are getting the answer, na, they can go through the remaining examples. You might have the question set, no? It is on the Google Classroom. You can see it from here also. So let me go through the example. M equal to xy square plus lambda x square y. So del m by del y. 2xy plus lambda x square. N equal to x cube plus x square y. Del n by del x. 3x square plus 2xy. One is exact if del m by del y equal to del n by del x. 2xy plus lambda x square. Nothing difficult. In fact, no need to write all these things also. By observation also we can solve it.
3.
Absolutely. Hope you are getting the same answer. Next example. Example number 15. Solve example number 15. Three plus by cos x dx plus 2 sin x minus 4y cube dy equal to 0. So our aim is to find b, so that it will be exact. B equal to
equal to 2.
you are not audible.
Equal to 2, sir.
Actually, nothing challenging over here. Why? Wrong. B cos x. Can I write it directly? B equal to 2. The del m by del y should be equal to del n by del x. B cos x and 2 cos x. B equal to 2. It's not difficult. Okay. Question number 17. Solve 17. Solve 16. Sorry, please make small change. 16 is somewhat difficult. Solve example number 16.
-3.
Absolutely. Sec square y minus 1, that is compare these two. A equal to 3. 3 or minus 3? 3, na? Example number 16. Is it 3 or minus 3?
+3 sir.
Good. Chalo, next. Example number 19. Integrating factor of. This homogeneous, everywhere it is written homogeneous. Remove that word. Many of the differential equations, they are not homogeneous but written as homogeneous differential equation. So printing mistake is there. Okay. Solve example number 19. Since it is asked to find the integrating factor, it is not required to check the exactness. No need to check the exactness. It will be not exact. Therefore, it is asked to find the integrating factor. Getting? No need to check the exactness. You go through the example directly. Okay? Rana. Differential equation is homogeneous. Rana. Therefore, integrating factor is. What is integrating factor of homogeneous differential equation? 1 upon xm plus yn. Hope you remember. Right? So 1 upon, right, xm plus yn.
Sir, page change नहीं किया.
I have to write the example also, na? Therefore I am waiting. Once I complete writing the example, I will switch to the slate mode. Differential equation is
1 by x.
absolutely. Differential equation is homogeneous, therefore integrating factor is 1 upon xm plus yn. Simplify it. X cube minus 3x square y plus 2xy square plus 3x square y. Absolutely. All these terms will cancel and what will remain? 1 upon x cube. Oh, parent is reading this answer. Next example. Example number 21. It is also homogeneous, right now?
Sir, थोड़ा
yes. Okay. Example number 21. Visible, no?
Yes, sir.
Differential, write with me. Differential equation is homogeneous. Therefore, integrating factor 1 upon xm plus yn. That is 1 upon x m. From 21 I have to write it. X square y minus 2xy square plus y. Write n with the proper sign. Huh? Don't make mistake of the sign.
21a.
21a check. So 1 upon x square y square that you want to say. Okay, check. X square y square minus 2 x cube, sorry. X cube y 2x square y square minus x cube y plus 3x square y square. Acha, suppose if it is 1 upon 19x square y square, then what is the integrating factor? Anyone?
1 upon x square y square.
Okay, then this is equivalent to 1 upon x square y square. Huh? Remember this. We can remove the 1 upon 19 and leave the constants. No any problem. Our parent is getting this. Okay. Can I go through the next example? Okay, example number 23. It is not homogeneous, huh? You might have understood. Okay, so write the differential equation. Then write differential equation is of the form. Differential equation is of the form y function of xy dx plus x function of xy dy equal to 0. I don't have space over there. Okay, therefore, integrating factor is, for this type of differential equation, what is integrating factor? 1 upon xm minus
Minus
yn.
y.
Absolutely. Try to find this. Be careful while writing m and n. Write all the terms, take the proper sign. Okay, don't make any mistake. Let me switch over to PDF form so that I'll be able to write the m and n. So y is outside, huh? So remember to write the y plus x y square minus y. X is outside, so x minus x square y. Simplified. 1 upon xy plus x square y square minus xy plus x square y square. So 1 upon 2x square y square, this may be the option if it is there, correct, or it may be 1 upon x square y square. We can cancel this 1 upon 2. Both of them are correct. Right? Both options will be not there. One of them will be there. So you choose whatever the option. So which one here? 1 upon 2x square y square. No problem. Example number 23, 1 upon 2x square y square. A option is correct. Yes, we'll go to the next example. Example number 25. Example number 25. Let me change the page. Page number 6. Let me write the example, then I'll switch the page. I'll write the m, x square plus y square plus x. N is xy. Okay. Let me switch the page. So is it homogeneous? Is the degree of every term same? No, degree of x is 1, so it is not homogeneous. Rule number 1 cannot be used. For rule number 2, function of xy is required. Not so, na? See, degree of x and y here, degree of x is 2, degree of y is 0. In second term, degree of x is 0, degree of y is 2. In last term, degree of x is 1, degree of y is 0. So degrees are different. So it is not a function of xy. So rule number 2 is not applicable. Rule 2 not applicable. Getting that? Therefore, we have to use rule number 3 or 4. And for that, what is required? Del m by del y is required. Find del m by del y, 2y. Del n by del x is required, y. Okay, and no doubt they are not equivalent. Therefore, it is not exact. And therefore, we are finding the integrating factor. Okay. Correct. Del m by del y minus del n by del x. इसको find करके देखते हैं क्या आ रहा है. 2y minus y. So we are getting y. How many terms are there? Single term. And therefore, since it is single term, go to the m. How many terms are there? 3 terms. Okay, so we cannot divide by n. Now once divided by n, what the last term is? Del n by del x. What the previous term is? Del m by del y. Okay, and what is required? Function of what? X is required. Clear? Write del m by del y. 2y minus y divided by xy. So y divided by xy. So 1 upon x. But don't make mistake, this is not integrating factor. integrating factor equal to e raised to integration of f of x dx. E raised to integration of 1 upon x dx log x. Log and e will cancel, x will remain. X is the integrating factor. Getting everyone? ये समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
Yes, sir.
ओके, अभी कितने लोग आ गए? 80. So around 26 लोग नहीं है. Now it is difficult to call all the 26 peoples, no? So if you are not interested, then it is very difficult to teach you, huh? Okay, let me go through the. And your parents, they are also not calling me back. We used to send message to them. कोई कॉल नहीं करता है. I think parents ने भी मान लिया है पास तो होने ही वाले हैं. But only passing will not help you. You understand when you will be in second and third year. Then passing engineering, passing second and third year will become very difficult. You may have to leave the engineering. Huh? So example number 26. Y plus, let me write the example, y cube divided by 3. I had to write the m. Y plus y cube by 3 plus x square by 2. N equal to x plus x y square divided by 4. Okay, I have written m and n. Okay, so is m homogeneous? No, degree of the first term is 1, second term 3, third term 2, so it is not homogeneous. Okay, is it the function of x, y? No. So we have to use rule number 3 or 4. Okay, and for that del m by del y is required. Find del m by del y. 3y square divided by 3. So 3 will cancel. Okay, so first we'll find difference and then we will decide whether we have to divide by m or n. How many terms are there? 2 terms, 1 and y square. Okay, so go to the m, 3 terms are there. Okay, so that will not help us. Go to the n, 2 terms are there. So we have to divide by n. Can I change the page? Can I change the page? Let me change it. Page number 7. So what we decided, divide by n. So what the last term is, del m by del x minus del m by del y. Function of x is required. We'll check this. So already del m by del y minus del n by del x we have obtained. 3 by 4 1 plus y square. And then divided by n. From n I can take x by 4 outside. One plus y square will cancel. So what is remaining? 3 by x. But again, this is not integrating factor.
X cube.
Absolutely. X cube is the integrating factor. Next.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
इसका ट्रायल एंड एरर हो सकता है क्या?
इसका ट्रायल एंड एरर, इसका ट्रायल एंड एरर कैसे कर सकते हैं? इसका तो नहीं हो सकता, कैसे कर सकते हैं? लेकिन वो डिफिकल्ट होगा ना. फॉर एग्जांपल से 1/x is the integrating factor, then you have to multiply the differential equation by 1/x and then you have to check whether it is exact or not. Next you have to multiply by x cube, then you have to check whether it is exact or not. Then you have to multiply by x square, then you have to check exact or not. That will take more time, na?
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of this method is simple, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, example number 27. Right, m equal to, if you are not getting all these things, anyone let me know, huh? So that I will use any other method. And be careful while writing m and n. So see what the m is here. I was also making mistake. N is 2x log x minus xy. M is 2y. Now del m by del y. Del n by del x. Product rule. So 2 plus 2 log x minus y. Okay, this is del n by del x. Now I think hope you might have understood differential equation is not homogeneous. Rule number 1 cannot be used. It is not a function of xy. Rule number 2 cannot be used. So only two options are there. You rule number 3 or 4. Okay. Now find the difference. Two will cancel. After cancelling 2, after doing the simplification, it is like this: minus 2 log x plus y. How many terms are there? 2 terms. Go to the m, single term, so we cannot divide by m. Go to the n, 2 terms are there. Okay, so we have to divide by n.
1/x.
Absolutely. From n, I will take what common? Minus x common. What is remaining? Minus 1 upon 1 upon x. Getting everyone?
So,
Mm-hmm.
sir, if n also have two term and m also have two term, so
Then, very good question. It may possible that the difference is having two terms, and m and n both are having same terms. Then we have to check nature of the term. Same type of terms should be there so that we can cancel maximum number of terms. Clear or not?
yes, sir.
Okay. One example is there. I'm giving that for homework. Today I'll give you the homework. There the example is there of that type. Okay, let me change the page.
Sir, what will happen if both the terms are 0?
The derivatives are 0.
0.
Then it will be in variable separable form, no? Isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Say del m by del y equal to 0 means m is function of x only, right? Na? Del n by del y equal to 0 means m is function of x and n is function of y. Then we can separate the variables. No
Yes,
need
sir.
to use this method, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, 27 we solved. Okay, we'll go through 29. Solve example number 29. Fast. M equal to 2xy plus e raised to x, n equal to minus e raised to x. So rule number 1 is not applicable, 2 is not applicable, so maybe 3 or 4. So 2 terms are there, m contain 2 terms, so divide by m.
Sir, M contains one term now only 29. Na?
M I have written wrongly. M contain 2 terms, no? 2xy and e raised to x. Del m by del y contains single term, but m contain 2 terms.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think we are not able to solve this. Some mistake is there. Why? Let me check that. 2xy plus e raised to x dx minus e raised to x dy. Okay. Del m by del y to x, del m by del x minus e raised to x 2x minus e raised to x. Some mistake is there. It might be, it should be e raised to x y. It should be like this. Printing mistake is there in example. So as I told you in morning, if you are not able to solve the example, change the example. I have written y here. Some printing mistake is there. I'll cross check it and I'll let you know. So it is del m by del y is 2x plus e raised to x. So difference is 2x plus 2e raised to x. Please make the required change. This way also I think it is not possible to solve. Write question mark over here, leave some space. I'll go through the example and let you know, okay, how to solve the example number 20. Leave some space. Around half page will be sufficient.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
m is equal to 2xy square plus e raised to x असणार.
M equal to
2xy square plus e raised to x.
okay 2xy.
Question number 20.
ते असू शकते, बरोबर पॉसिबल आहे, करेक्ट. बरं ठीक आहे, चेक करू शकतो. डिफरंट पॉसिबिलिटीज आर देयर. Whatever you are saying is correct, absolutely correct. So let me check that, then I'll tell you. Okay. Till that time, we'll go through the next example. Example number 31. Write m y raised to 4 2y example number 31. Let me write it directly. So two terms. M is having two terms.
So now we can take m in denominator.
M or N? What you are saying?
M.
We have to take N, no doubt. Take -3 common. -3 by y. But again, it is not the integrating factor. One upon y cube. Clear? Second lecture started now. We have to start with the flipped classroom. Okay, we'll stop here. Hope you might have written the answer. Okay, where it is. F. Give me the attendance. Roll number 7.
Present, sir.
A division, roll number 7.
Present, sir.
So hope you are ready. First, you have to start with your presentation. So you can start your presentation. Roll number 17, Chaitanya. Roll number 17. Absent.
Roll number 17 present.
So be ready with your presentation. Okay. A7. Then A17 present. Good. A38. A38. Aniket.
Sir, he has some health issue.
ते कौन कहना रे मग? Who is
Priyanka,
taking?
Priyanka.
Priyanka. What is her roll number?
32.
A32, na?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. A49.
Yes, sir. Saras.
Saras, very good. A55.
Present, sir.
Very good. B26.
Present, sir.
Very good. And then B45.
Present, sir.
Very good. So we'll start with the A7. Let me stop my presentation. Simultaneously, you can write the answers. All these things are required. And now see what you have to do. 2-3 announcements are there. Then I'll start. We'll start with the flipped classroom. One, where I have written it. Okay. Somewhere I have written it. Correct. One is about the flipped classroom. So we are starting that. Few more flipped classrooms will be there. I will announce soon about that. Okay. Then second is NPTEL course. Everyone has to register for the NPTEL course. I will send you details soon. So yes, here it should be. So this is one of the NPTEL course, Engineering Mathematics 1. Hope this is visible to you. Week 1, 12 weeks are there. Okay. In week number 11 and week number 12, there is differential equation, first order differential equation, first order differential equation, exact, first order linear differential equation. Okay. Then linear differential equation, higher order homogeneous differential equation, all these things are there. Okay. So NPTEL, I think you know the procedure. The live classes of this course, Engineering Mathematics 1 as well as Engineering Mathematics 2, they are available from the July 1st week. So you have to register for that. Registration link I will send you. During the registration, no any fees are there. Okay, you have to complete the course in 12 weeks, that is 3 months. After completing the course, July, August, September, probably exam will be there in October or November. If you want to give the exam, then you have to pay a fees of 1000 rupees, or I think 1100 rupees are there. And the student, those who are getting more than 75% marks, they will be paid from the college after the result. Whatever fees you have paid to the NPTEL, the whole fee will be given by college if you get more than 75% or 80%. I'll confirm that and let you know. Okay. So 25% weightage is there for assignment. Weekly you will get an assignment. So 12 assignment you will get. Out of them, 10 best will be selected. So I think we'll solve the assignments together. I will also register for the Engineering Mathematics 1 as well as 2. We are concentrating on Engineering Mathematics 1 this time. Okay, we'll solve the assignment together and we'll give exam together. But this together means you have to give the exam separately. Separate centers will be there. Okay, but assignments you can submit together. There is no any problem. Okay, I think everything is clear about the NPTEL. It is compulsory for all from division A and B to register for these two courses. If you want to register for any other course, there is no any problem. Okay. And after 2-3 months, you can decide whether you want to give the exam or not. Time being, you have to register. While registering, no any fees are required. Okay. This is one. Second, I want to speak about this tutorial assignments also. By Monday, I'll give you the tutorial assignments. 3 tutorial assignments are there containing the MCQs. Last time I had given all the MCQs of unit number 1, 2, 3, 4 as assignment. This time we are reducing the number of MCQs. Around 50 MCQs for every assignment will be given. So 50 into 3, 150 MCQ questions you have to solve. Those questions will be from whatever the question set you are being already provided. This question set only. Questions will be from here only. So now I think today we solve few examples. I suggest you to solve remaining MCQs and keep them in your classwork notebook or homework notebook. Okay, this is second. Third, homework assignment. I think everyone is doing the homework assignment. Everyone has joined the Google Classroom. If not, please do that on priority. Okay, one more homework assignment will be given to you by tomorrow. You have to submit it by Monday. Okay. Then prerequisite test. I think everyone has given the prerequisite test. Those who are not given, please give the prerequisite test. It is open today also. Please give the prerequisite test. Then there is no lecture tomorrow. Tomorrow is holiday. First and third Saturday is holiday, so we don't have lecture tomorrow, right? So second and fourth Saturday we'll have lecture. The class leaders, CR, Saras and Tejas. You write it somewhere. Second and third lecture on second and fourth Saturday will be of maths for A and B division. If anyone else is arranging the lecture, tell him that already we have arranged a maths lecture. Clear?
Sir, what time? I mean, there are 3 lectures, 3 slots in the timetable.
The first one is for the PBL. Second one, it is written extra lecture, right now?
Yes, sir. 3 total slots.
Correct. So third one is also written extra lecture. So extra lecture equal to maths. Okay.
3 lectures, sir.
No, 3 lectures. First will be for the PBL only.
Sir,
Second
after
and third
PBL,
will be.
after PBL, we have 3 slots which say extra lectures. So all
Achha. No, not 3 slots are not required. 2 will be more than sufficient. Last
Okay.
time we had taken lectures during evening, extra lectures during evening. So this time probably it will be not required. We'll try to cover the syllabus in time. Okay. I have 2 extra lectures of this ES on Friday. Okay. 3rd and 4th lecture that I conducted today. Right. And 2 more lectures on alternate Saturdays. That will be more than sufficient. Clear? Right. So remember all these things. Okay. I think everything is clear now. I told you I will summarize it. I told you about the prerequisite test. Give the prerequisite test by today. Second, do the homework assignment on time. Third, tutorial assignment will be provided to you. Time will be provided afterwards. Okay, I tell you. Once we complete the unit number 1, 2, assignment number, tutorial assignment number 1, for whom term work is there. Okay, that is to be submitted after completing the unit number 1 and 2. Till we are in unit number 1. So around 2 weeks are there. Okay. But assignment will be provided by next week. Okay. Then 4th NPTEL course, you have to register for NPTEL course. I will provide you the details soon. Okay. And one more point, if any change is required, any feedback is there from your side compared to whatever we have done last time, compared to other faculties, if you want any improvement, any change, except don't say that we want less lectures. Except this, if you want any change, let me know. Okay, you can tell me at any time, there is no problem. You can tell me it personally, you can send me message, there is no any problem. Okay, now let me start with the flipped classroom. A7.
Yes, sir.
Please start. Let me stop the presentation. Yes, now you start. I will mute also.
Presentation is visible, sir.
Very good. Continue. Very good.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Shubham Dake from A Division. So we first revise some points. First one is order of differential equation.